Most people think AI is abstract. It's not. Today, I'll show you a real AI automation you can use right now. This setup uses ChatGPT, connected with Zapier. No coding, just automation. This automation can generate text, reply to messages, and organize everything automatically. Here's a simple example. Someone submits a request. ChatGPT generates a response. Zapier saves it into Google Docs. Normally, this would require a writer, an assistant, and a lot of time. ChatGPT handles the thinking. Zapier connects the apps. Google Docs stores the output. This is ideal for beginners, creators, and small online businesses. This doesn't make money by itself, but it removes most of the manual work. First, define the task. Second, write a clear ChatGPT prompt. Third, connect everything with Zapier. This is not magic. It's automation, and automation is leverage. I've shared a simple example setup in the description. Start there if you're new. Once you understand this, you're already ahead of most people using AI.